how to share NFL Sunday ticket with family. So in this video, I'll show you how to share NFL Sunday ticket with your family. So to share NFL Sunday ticket with family, you need to add them to your YouTube TV family group and let them log in with your YouTube account if you subscribe via primetime channels. So if you subscribe via YouTube TV, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and create a family group on Google Families. So on Google Families, go ahead and click on this Create a Family Group button. And then in here, go ahead and proceed on clicking on this Create a Family Group button. And then click on Confirm in here. So on Google Families, you can add up to 5 family members. So they must be 13-year-old and above and live in the same country as yours. So go ahead and select the family members that you want to add to your family on Google Families. And then after that, go ahead and let them know that you have sent them the invitation, so they must accept the invite using their Google account. And then once added, family members can log into your YouTube TV with their own accounts and stream NFL Sunday Ticket. So that is how you can basically share NFL Sunday Ticket with your family. So you need to create a Google Family on Google Family, and after that, they can access your YouTube TV account and they can go ahead and access your NFL Sunday Ticket and share it with them.